girlfriend opened up the freezer and heard some sizzling, and when I looked I saw something glowing in the back of it. And what it was, this right here, you can follow my finger, goes underneath the coils and back up over to here. And what that does is every 8 hours or so it defrosts this, because this will freeze up, and what that does is keep it from freezing up. But it's pretty scary when he's looking through the panel and heard the sizzling sound, and you could see it, you could kind of see it glowing through the grates here of this back panel that I've taken off. But after doing a little research on it, you can see that it's supposed to be there, and it's just normal operation. And it's certainly scared the heck out of me.